Hey guys, so today I'll be showing you my website. So this picture, I decided to pick it because it just gives a broad picture of what it is I'm talking about, what it is I want to focus on, and how it can be applied to my future career. As we scroll down, the title of my website is Connected Educator. Where to find me? You have my LinkedIn account, and you also have my email just in case. I've chosen the path of a bilingual teacher, and my hopes is to make a difference in a child's life and give them the confidence to speak another language and, just to show them different ways of learning how to communicate with somebody who doesn't understand your own language or your first language, such as, for example, math. Math is a lot of numbers. There are some words, but there are also letters. Letters and alphabets are not the same in each language, but they are similar, which makes math one of the easier subjects to learn in my part because I did grow up as bilingual. So 3 fun websites that I chose to highlight on my main page is FunBrain, which is a website guided towards K through 8 students on focusing on reading, language arts, and math. You have different games, books, and worksheets that students can learn from, teachers can take from the website and, incorporate it into lessons, and even parents can be interacted in that. Also right here on the side right here is also a link that will send you right to this page. Then I also have Storybird, which is a great website to help the students' writing develop better, which is great. And also it helps their imagination just run free. And lastly, it's the Cool Math games for kids. There is a coolmathgames.com, but it's better to gear towards the Cool Math Games for Kids because it's geared towards parents and teachers and students more than just kids just having fun on the internet playing games. And it's just a website just focused on math. And here is a little slideshow for you guys to see on different types of topics that I've talked about, and maybe some pictures that will relate to my future career or different projects that I've done. I have a little poll going on down right here, and it's just helping me find out which one was the best Web 2.0 tool that you found interesting in my whole website. And we also have a map of Stockton University. So let's go to the About Me tab. About me. I'm 22 years old. I attend Stockton. I am an elementary education major, focusing on bilingual and also math and history, but more towards the bilingual. And here's my introduction video. And here's my blog page. So for each blog, I have copied and pasted each blog from my blogger. And I have also hyperlinked it so that it opens up in a new page in case it doesn't give you enough visual or anything like that. You have the choice to go onto my blog, which is cool. And as we scroll down, I've incorporated all my blogs. And also at the bottom, I incorporated a slideshow of all the pictures that I have posted on my blog posts as well. And finally, my SmackDown page. So for my SmackDown page, I have highlighted 3 SmackDowns that we have done during class, which is our good and bad website SmackDown, our Web 2.0 tool website, and our Web 2.0 app. And for each website, I have linked the YouTube videos and also the screencast as well. I hope you guys enjoy this website and hopefully great feedback. Thank you.